In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off notifications in Monday.com, whether you want to disable all notifications or just specific types. If you're feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts, emails, or in-app pop-ups from Monday.com, this step-by-step guide will help you clean things up in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over what notifications you receive and when you receive them. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account using your browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This opens up your personal settings and account options. After clicking your profile picture, a menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option called Customization in the left-hand menu. Click on Customization to continue. This section is where Monday.com allows you to control your personal experience, including notifications, appearance, and other user-specific settings. Once you're inside the customization section, you'll see several options related to your user preferences. Here, you need to select User Notifications. Click on User Notifications to open your notification settings. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can see all of your enabled notifications. This includes notifications for updates, mentions, assignments, status changes, due dates, and more. Monday.com allows notifications across different channels, such as desktop notifications, email notifications, mobile push notifications, and sometimes even Slack integrations have connected. Take a moment to scroll through this list. You'll notice that each notification type has its own toggle or checkbox. This gives you full flexibility. If you want to completely reduce distractions, you can turn off most or all of these toggles. If you only want to stop certain alerts, like email notifications but keep in-app updates, you can customize it exactly the way you prefer. To disable a notification, simply click the toggle next to it. When the toggle is switched off, that specific notification type will no longer be sent to you. You can repeat this process for as many notification types as you'd like. For example, if you don't want to receive emails every time someone updates a task, find that specific notification and turn it off. If you're part of many boards and getting too many assignment alerts, you can disable those as well. If your goal is to turn off notifications completely, go through the list carefully and disable all active toggles. Make sure you review each section so you don't miss any category. Monday.com may separate notifications by activity type or delivery method, so double-check everything before leaving the page. One important thing to keep in mind is that turning off notifications may cause you to miss important updates from your team. So instead of disabling everything, you might consider keeping only high-priority alerts, such as direct mentions or tasks assigned specifically to you. This way you reduce noise without losing visibility on critical work. After you've adjusted your notification settings, your changes are usually saved automatically. There's no need to click a separate save button in most cases. However, it's always a good idea to quickly refresh the page or navigate away and come back to confirm that your preferences were updated correctly. And that's it. That's how you turn off notifications in Monday.com, either completely or just specific types, depending on your needs. It only takes a few clicks and it can make a huge difference in reducing distractions and improving your productivity. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.